Hi guys, it's Mike. Today I'm back for Carlijn Design in Dutch and English, and this is of course the English version for the card I made, and this is it. I've used the Whimsy Stamps Peking Dragon and Carlijn Design Bedankt Schat, and I switched the video around a little bit, so I'm actually starting with the end. This is the ink blending of the card base, so that when I get to the coloring I can just say goodbye and let you enjoy that and stop talking, because I don't know about you, but I have a bit of hay fever, I think. I'm completely stuffed everywhere. Nose and sinuses and well, you don't want to know, but I don't want to talk. That's about it. So I'm using a spun sugar, wilted violet and dusty concord oxide for my background, and I thought the green and purple always go nicely together, and also helps to push the image to the front, because with the dark and contrasting background it looks further away. It's strange, but it does. And yeah, I already stamped it as well. It's underneath the green washi tape, but you will see that later. That's bedankt schat. It means jij bent een schat, means you are a treasure. And a dragon holding a treasure. That's funny, I thought. And of course the dragon is from Whimsy Stamps, and I already stamped it and colored it here, so don't pay attention to that. But I cut it out prior to the video, and I'm mounting it with foam tape, because I made the background a little bit smaller on purpose, so it will peek out. And then some rhinestones as being jewels or diamonds that are, you know, scattered around or falling off the treasure chest. And the different colors I have, white or silvery, gold and lilac. For they match the card very nicely. So now starting the coloring, I'm using my Spectrum Noirs on the Crafter's Companion paper, and I hope you enjoyed that bit. I will turn on the music, and thank you for watching. I hope to see you very soon. Bye! Thank you.